Good morning and welcome to our maths lesson today. I'm Teacher Albunus, taking you through mathematics today. And today we are going to learn about length, whereby we are going to look at different lengths. And remember, to start with, I want to remind you of the things that you learned in class 4, 5, and 6. For example, you must have learned that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. You must have also learned that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Again, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Those are the things that you learned about length in the previous classes. But today, I want to introduce new length. And the first one is what we call it as a decimeter. 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 Decimeter is another unit of measurement, whereby you find that 1 decimeter, it is written in using small letter D. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Again, 1 decimeter, we can also say 1 decimeter is equal to how many milliliters? Millimeters is equal to 100 millimeters. This is millimeters. Mm means millimeters. So 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeters. Again, still on a decimeter, you'll find that 10 decimeters, here it is dm, decimeters. 1 is decimeter, there is not 1 but 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. So you'll find that when you try to look at decimeter, is bigger than centimeter. So 10 centimeters, if you take your ruler, let's assume this is your ruler. Your ruler is calibrated in this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are millimeters. This is a 0, 1. These are millimeters. These are millimeters. The small units they are millimeters. Then from that is a 0 and 1. In between that is a measurement of 1 centimeter. So you'll find that when I say 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So you will find that, let us say these are 10 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let us say these are centimeters now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are centimeters. So from ear to ear, from 0 to 10, that is exactly 1 decimeter. That is exactly 1 decimeter. Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So from ear to ear, that is 1 decimeter. Then to get the number of millimeters in one decimeter, here in between we have how many millimeters? We'll take, because this is 10 from 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. You multiply by 10 to get the number of millimeters which are found between 0 and 10. And that is 100. Okay. So sometimes you might be given a certain measurement you convert into decimeter. For example, you are told, example 1, convert. You're told convert into decimeters. For example, you are told A 12 centimeters. You are told to convert 12 centimeters into decimeter. What should come into your mind is that you ask yourself, if 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Ask yourself, what about 12? You ask yourself, what about 12 centimeters would be equal to what? To what? Then from there, you cross multiply. We are going to have 12 multiplied by 1. That is 12 centimeters times 1 decimeter over 10 centimeters. These centimeters will cancel with that. Then this 0 moves the decimal to there. So we have 1.2 times 1 decimeter. Our answer becomes 1.2 decimeters. Our answer becomes 1.2 decimeters. Another example, you can be told to convert 2000 millimeters into decimeters. Convert 2000 millimeters into decimeters. So what do you do if you are doing that? Come and ask yourself, if, then you come here, decimeters in relation to millimeters. You ask yourself, if 1 decimeter is equal to 100 millimeters, you ask yourself, what about 2000 millimeters will be equal to what? To what? From there you cross multiply. You are going to take 1 decimeter multiplied by 2000 millimeters over 100 millimeters. Our millimeters will cancel. We have remained with the 2100. 2 zeros will cancel. You remain with the 20. 20 multiplied by 1 decimeter. This will give you 20 decimeters. And that is how you work out that conversion. Again, you might be given meters, convert, convert 50 meters into decimeters. Convert 50 meters into decimeters. So this would be, you ask yourself, if 1 meter or if 10 decimeters is equals to 1 meter. Sorry. If 10 decimeters is equals to 1 meter, you ask yourself that. What about 50 meters will be equal to how many decimeters? So from there, you cross multiply again. This will be 10 decimeters multiplied by 50 meters divided by 1 meter. By 1 meter, meters will go. You remain with 50 times 10 decimeters. You get 500 decimeters. So in such case, if you are told to convert that, that is how you should work it out. Another unit that I want to talk about is decameter. Decameter. Decameter, abbreviated as DM. Decameter. Deca, decimeter. So we are in a decameter. And 1 decameter is equal to, decameter is written in capital. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. So 1 decameter, it's equivalent to a length of 10 blackboard rulers. I've said that 1 decameter is equivalent to 10 blackboard rulers, a distance over 10 blackboard rulers. You know how the blackboard ruler looks like. So a decameter is bigger than a meter. A decameter is bigger than a meter, because 10 meters will make 1 decameter. I hope we are together. So sometimes you can be told to convert. You are told to convert. You are given convert 40 meters or 40 meters into decameter. This is how you work it out. This is how you work it out. You come and say, if 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters, you ask yourself, what about 40 meters will be equal to how many decameters? So from here, you cross multiply as we've been doing. We say 40 meters multiplied by 1 decameter divided by 10 decameter. That is 10 meters. Meters will cancel. We remain with the decameter. So this 0 goes with that. We remain with the 4. So our answer will be 4 decameters. Our answer will be 4 decameters. Again, you should know how to convert. You can be given centimeters to convert into a decameter. You can be given centimeters to convert into a decameter. So the first thing when you are given centimeters to convert into decameter, you should change the centimeters first into meters, then you convert later. Let us say you are given 10,000. Convert 10,000 centimeters into decameter. Convert 60,000 meters into decameter. So here you say, if you first convert, how many, ask yourself, how many meters are here in 10,000 centimeters? To convert meters, that is centimeters into meters, we always divide by 100. So if you ask yourself, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, what about 10,000 centimeters will be equal to what? So this will be 10,000 divided by 100. So you are going to get 100 meters. Then you convert these meters into decameter. You ask yourself, if 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters, what about 100 meters will be equal to what? So this is the same as, and 1 decameter we cross multiply times 100 over 10 meters. By 10, that 0 meters cancels. That 0 cancels with that, we remain with 10 decameters. 10 decameters as your answer. 10 decameters as your answer. So you should know that try to remember those units. I shall talk about them again, but I will give you an example to test whether you've understood about decimeter. I want to check whether you've understood about decimeter. So I'll give you an exercise to convert. Then once you have understood about the decimeter, we are going to look at decameter and hectometer. Decameter and hectometer will be our next topic of discussion. Otherwise, have a good day. Thank you.